said that I think I'm the sixth guy to win the All-Star race and this race, and the other ones are Dale Earnhardt, Jimmy Johnson, Jeff Gordon, Davey Allison, and Darrell Waltrip. And I mean, to have my name with those names, I think that's probably one of the neatest things that I've ever done in racing, and it's all because of my team and all because of these guys that I work with. And it really feels good, and to win this weekend, to win on this weekend. This is a big weekend, and confidence is huge. I feel like I give better input this week than I did, last week in the All-Star race. I did good, but in the Open, I didn't do that good. In practice, I didn't do that good. So I feel like I've stepped up and given Kenny more to work with as a crew chief. And